Oh. Okay, today we'll be working with Git, AWS. Try to remember what we have done in the previous lessons.
1 minute. We SSH. We SSH. I don't remember.
Try to remember. We SSH'd. So, what do you remember about AWS and what did we do on AWS? We created a virtual machine.
Yes, we created a virtual machine, created an account in AWS, and work with. We create a port. Created
That's simple.
a
Okay.
port. Yes, and
We opened a port.
open a port. Yes, and
Tell me what
that's
you
all.
remember about public IP addresses, private IP addresses, how to forward a port. Tell me what you remember from these things.
Private IP address. It's your IP, your laptop, for example. Yes. Oh no, not a laptop. Your router.
Any device that is connected to that router.
Yes. It's a private IP address and public IP. It's you must pay. Yes, you must pay for public IP, and you can SSH without ports.
No,
Yes.
you still need to forward a port. So you have a router, and you contacted your internet service provider, and they gave you your real IP address, public IP address, static IP address that will never change, right? And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, now all you have to do, if I want to SSH into your laptop from my part of the world, yeah, I need to know your public IP address, and then I type SSH, right? And your username, for example, Nastya, right, on that Ubuntu machine, and then and your static IP address. And then I specify the port that you forwarded, right? And this is how I can enter your laptop. Yeah, so if
Yes.
I want to SSH into your laptop, but if I want to visit your website, yeah, you need to open a port for your website, yeah? And how does it work with the virtual machines on AWS?
You
There
can
we
create.
so and you have to open two ports, forward two ports, right? One internal port for your device and one public. Yeah, to first I need to enter your your router, right? And then your device that is connected, yeah, to that router. We did this with
Mm-hmm.
NAT, bridged connection, right? Remember?
Yes.
And how
Yes.
is it different on AWS from what we worked with on our virtual machines? Like, what is the name of this machine?
Oracle.
Oracle VirtualBox, yeah.
Yes.
How's it different on AWS?
I think in AWS we work a lot of time with sports. No, instant. We can create it. I don't know how.
On
Uh,
AWS, each virtual machine has just one public IP address. In a real world situation, yeah, so you have a router, you can connect a lot of different devices to your router. And they all have they are connected to the same router that has just one public IP address. On AWS, you have to forward just one IP address, which is your public IP address. Instead of two ports, just one. Understand? Because each
mhm.
device has its own public IP address. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's work. Now I will share my screen with you and we'll read the plan for today's lesson. So from now on, I won't number practical lessons. Yeah, so like it will be just practical lesson without any number. Practical
Mhm.
lesson. Yeah, and I will work on these lessons myself on my own, 13, 14, where I will explain. But 3 times a week, as before, yeah, we'll have three practical lessons a week. So let's read the plan.
Today we will SSH into the virtual machine on AWS. We will create a folder and
Initialize Git.
initialize Git. Work with Python programming language and work with Git commands.
Perfect. Now I will allow you to share your screen with me. Give you permissions. Share your screen, your desktop. Don't forget to close Telegram and
Mm,
all other like apps.
okay.
Let's go to your AWS first. Sign in to console.
Sign in.
To console.
Sign in to console.
What do we do next?
Sign in using root.
Yes.
It's my email.
Now tell the viewers what we have to do next.
I installed the program Authenticator, and now I open and I can see the number. It's no, it's my code. If I want to enter an AWS.
Great. Yes, and I think in our last practical lesson, yeah, instead of making changes in inbound rules, you did this in
Mm-hmm.
outbound rules, and I could not understand what was wrong. Yeah, but I think you told me that you fixed the problem, right? So we need to
Yes.
enter inside, like go to click EC2, and it's your instance. EC2, do you see this? EC2.
Yes.
Instances. Click
Mm,
instances.
no, but I don't see. Ah,
Mhm. Why is it running?
I don't know.
They charge you money for a running instance.
Okay.
Never forget to stop it because you will pay a lot of money, like $25 a month. But don't worry, now it's for free.
I don't
Yes.
remember. I open this.
No, no, no.
Yes? No?
Now we need to SSH. You need to copy the public IP address. See? Public
Mm-hmm.
1361. Control C. Open your command prompt. Yes, and what did we do in our previous lesson? We added what? Why are you able to SSH into this virtual machine? Because we added what?
What way this?
The SSH key, right?
Mm-hmm.
Key pairs, key
Okay.
pairs. Okay, we imported the SSH key, right? And now we have this key pair here, yeah? So what's the, by default, the username is Ubuntu on all virtual machines. Ubuntu.
Okay. Ubuntu.
What do we do next?
Pass my.
Let's try. Enter. It's not working.
Maybe yes. Maybe not Ubuntu.
Ubuntu.
It's work.
No, it's not working. Let's go to your security group.
It's not working.
No, let's go to your security group. Security
Well,
groups.
the groups. Where are my security groups?
When we create a virtual machine, we need to always choose key pairs and security group. Let's go inside. Yeah, not a security group. Let's enter the security group. Inbound rules. Looks like everything is correct. Click on outbound rules, and what do we have here? Okay, edit outbound rules. Yes, all traffic. Everything should work. Okay, let's go back to inbound rules. Something is wrong. It's not working. So SSH. Edit inbound rules. Click on source custom. Oh no, custom. They say this. Where you have your public, yeah. Click on yes, and here choose anywhere IP v4. And now no. Yes, actually you can. Yes, also, yeah. Anywhere, yes. And now, yeah, because your IP address always changes, yeah, because you don't have a static IP address. So therefore, instead of choosing my IP, it's better to choose anywhere. Save rules. And now let's SSH into this machine one more time. It works, right?
Yes.
We have just SSH'd into your virtual machine, right? So now I will read the plan. Let me have create a folder and initialize Git. But let's SSH into your virtual machine with Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
Open your Visual Studio Code. And click on this, see in the bottom left corner, we have this like in the very, very bottom left corner. Yeah, click on it. Connect to host. Add new SSH host. And type here SSH Ubuntu what you did there. Enter. Config. SSH, yeah, click on it. Click.
Opening config.
Connect. No, connect. Linux. Looks like we are connected, right? Close
Yes.
this, like reload window. Yeah, close it. I don't like. Close this. Yeah. Now file. Click on file. No, file. In the here. Open folder. And here, yeah, click OK. Yes, I trust the authors. And, we'll be having a problem. I think that we will not be able to work because there isn't enough memory, RAM, understand? It's just 1 GB of memory, RAM, which isn't enough at all. Yes, and I will send you, if it doesn't work, I will send you this command or like a set of these commands that you will have to execute in order for this to work. Understand? Because 1 GB or like is not enough at all. Okay, now let's what do we do now? What do we do now? Let's create a folder here. Let's create a folder. Yes, and let's call this folder Git practice, maybe Git practice.
With command prompt or what?
No. Open this. You need to make like this space for commands below. Yes, you move this. Move this. No.
Like
Yeah, close this. And below you need to space like open
terminal or what?
terminal. Yes, open it.
I forgot how to open terminal. Shift.
Okay, I will show it to you. 1 minute. Do you see my screen?
I open terminal.
So you need to do this. So here you do it like this, yeah, and you move it up.
Okay.
Okay, if you have done this, then share a screen with me one more time. Yes, make it smaller, it's too big. Pull it down a bit, move it down. And here, let's create a folder. How do we create folders?
Okay, door. And the name folder. Don't know how to.
Git
Що за пап?
_ practice. Now go inside this folder. Yes, you can look at the folders that it had. No, how do we go inside folders?
CD.
Yeah, and here, how do we initialize Git?
Dot and git.
No.
Or git.
What's happening? Yeah, see, it's exactly what I told you. You don't have enough RAM. Now I will send you these commands on Telegram, and you will have to put them here, okay? because
Okay.
yeah, it will be like this. It will be interrupting all the time. It's exactly what I told you. 1 gigabyte of RAM isn't enough at all. I don't remember. Uh-huh. Maybe it was less than 9. Yes. Now everybody will see my Telegram, but it's okay. Okay. I think you got it, right? Now you copy them
Yes.
and put them here. Share a screen with me. You're sharing your screen now.
Mhm.
Share your screen with me because you aren't sharing it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Так, open a terminal, yes.
Yes.
This past.
And paste all these commands here. And yeah, enter. Yes, and now I think we just created like more space. It's not swap space. Swap space. Setting up swap space version. Yeah, and now it should not be interrupting. Understand? Okay, now let's continue working. Now that now that hopefully it won't be interrupting, we need to continue working. Initialize Git. How do we initialize Git? We type git init.
Internet.
Enter. Yes. Yes, and now I don't see what's below. Yeah.
I don't know how can I. You see now?
Yes, now I can. Now I can. Yeah. Okay, now let's create how do we create files? And now let's create a few files here, Python files. Today we'll be working with lists, dictionaries or maps, functions, and loops, right? So we will create 4 files. Let's call the first file lists.py. How do you create files on Ubuntu, on Linux?
With touch or nano?
It's touch, not
Touch.
touch. Касаться, touch.
What is it? Okay.
You see, it's what I
Oh,
told
yeah.
you. RAM, there isn't enough RAM. Okay.
Why? I don't understand.
Hmm?
I don't understand why.
Because when we were creating our virtual machine, we chose instead of like 4 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, just 1 gigabyte of
No.
RAM. And it isn't enough.
Okay.
Yeah, but yes, we ran these commands, and now at least on my machine, it's working well. So yeah, let's hope that it won't be interrupting. And
But
now,
I
how do
can
we create files?
type.
Touch. You can create a file, yeah, right here on virtual like Visual Studio Code, but let's do this in a proper way and let's use touch. Touch.
I can't.
You can't.
I can't type in this line.
No,
Maybe.
let's delete this virtual machine. Let's go back to our virtual to AWS, and let's delete this virtual machine and let's create a new one.
Okay.
Click on instances. Click on this virtual machine and type and click on actions.
1 minute. Actions.
Yes, No, instance state. Instance state, I think. No, see? Instance state. Terminate, delete instance. Terminate, delete instance. Terminate it. 1 gigabyte of RAM is very, very little. Yeah, these commands work on, running these commands work on my machine, but it looks like it doesn't on yours. And let's create a new virtual machine. How do we create a new instance? Refresh this page. Yeah, actually, yes, it's terminated. So how do we create a new instance? Launch instances, yeah, click on this, launch instances, yeah. Ubuntu. Type name here, like Ubuntu, maybe something like Nastya, Ubuntu, Nastya. Yeah, lowercase letter usually. Ubuntu. No, something else, because let's give it another. Okay, Ubuntu, that's enough. And now what do we need to choose? We have created a key pair. Yes, and now whenever we create a new virtual machine, all we have to do is to choose the existing key pairs and security groups, right?
Yes.
So let's choose, and please don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Let's do everything very slowly, because I may overlook something that, yeah, you may make a mistake and I may not see it. So click on, yeah, key pair name. Yeah, click. Yes. No. Select. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, select Windows key. Yeah, this is how we named our key pair. And now security group. The existing. Select existing security group. Do you see it? No. Select
Yes.
existing. Yeah, click on it. And now here, no. Yeah, Nastya security group. Yes. Because, yeah, we need this one. And now configure storage. We don't need this. Scroll up, please. Scroll up. And now instance type. See, T3 micro, 1 gigabyte of memory. See,
Yes.
you need to choose at least 4 gigabytes or gigabytes of memory, at least 4. Type T3 small. Choose T3 small.
T3
Yes, T3 small.
small.
Okay, maybe 2 gigabytes will be enough. Let's hope that it will be enough. Yeah, click on it. Yes.
Launch instance.
One second. So tell me what we have just done.
We created a new machine.
We are
Yes.
creating a new virtual machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are currently launching a new virtual machine. Yeah, so we need to choose. So we chose how much RAM and everything. Yeah, and of course, if you choose more RAM, you will have to pay more, right? Okay,
Yes.
but
No.
don't
Now I
worry.
have.
And we have
I
chosen. Yeah, looks like now. Yeah, type. Yeah, click launch instance. Let's go to instances. Click instances. What's wrong? You launched new instance, right? Refresh the page. Yes, Ubuntu. Yes, now copy this public IP address and let's SSH into this one. You don't need to make any changes in your security group, because yeah, we can create a lot of different virtual machines, and we don't need to make changes in your like key pair and security group all the time. We need to choose existing ones, right? And yes, what did you choose here? Did you click on add new SSH?
No.
Go back to Visual Studio Code
Mm-hmm.
and terminate this virtual machine. Yeah, go back to the bottom left corner, green. Click on this. Click.
This
Yeah. And
disconnected. Okay.
close remote connection. Close remote connection. Close.
Close remote connection.
And click one more time. And now connect to host. No. Connect to host.
Connect host.
Add new SSH host. Add new SSH host. And do this here: SSH, Ubuntu, and the public IP address that you have just copied. Enter. Config. Connect. Linux. Continue. Looks like we're in. Close one of the windows. We don't need two windows. It'll be bothering you. Okay, file, open folder, Ubuntu. Yes, okay. Show the terminal. Yes, I trust the authors. Make it smaller. And what do we do now? Let's create a folder here.
Gitor.
Git underscore practice. Git underscore practice. Yeah. Yes, and now that we have 2 gigabytes of RAM, let's hope that it will not be interrupting, because one isn't enough. It's very little. And now let's, what do we do next? Let's initialize Git.
Yes,
And as I said, let's create 4 Python files here. Lists.py, lists.py. And here we'll work with lists.py. Now we need to stage changes. How do we stage changes? We type git space add git add
This?
add, not add. Yes, space dot. And what does this dot mean?
We как это сказать?
How can I say it?
Save all.
Yes, we stage all the changes inside this folder.
Yes.
Not one particular file, but everything, all the changes that we have here. And now we need to commit these changes. We need to create our first commit. Git commit.
Git commit. M.
Yeah, it's message. M stands for message here. And my let's it will create. Just type create. Create lists.py. No, not a list, just lists.py without a. Yes, enter. Yes, and now how do we see our branches? Git branch, and we can type, to see all the branches, we need to type -a, space -a. Yeah, but now there is, based on the common practice now, we need to work with main, not master, but main. Therefore, let's rename this branch to main. Let's change its name. To change the name of the branch, we need to do what? We type git branch, capital M, hyphen M. Yeah, hyphen, capital M, uppercase M. Before M, hyphen.
Hyphen.
Yes, and space and main. Let's rename it to main. Enter. And now let's see what we have. Git branch hyphen A one more time. See? We have just
Yes.
changed the branch. Let's create 3 more files here. Touch. Now, please, let's go to inside this folder. Click on File in the top left corner. File. Yes, and open folder. And let's choose the folder that we created, in which we are currently working. Click Ubuntu. No, Ubuntu. No. Click Ubuntu. No, below. Home. Click Home. No. Click, see, Home.
No.
Below. In the drop-down window, Home. Now Ubuntu.
Ubuntu.
And now Git practice.
Git practice. Okay.
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 And now it's a lot more convenient, right, to work with this, because we have everything here. See, list.py. Instead of using a nano all the time, yeah, like save Control O, Control X, right? So it's a lot more comfortable to work with Visual Studio Code, right? Isn't it? Yes, and now open the terminal one more time, and yes, you can do it here. Yes. And let's have a look at the commits that we have. How do we have a look at the commits that we have? For this, we need to type git
commit.
No, git log. Enter. See? These are the commits. How do you understand what commits are? Why do we need git in the first place? Why do we need git at all? Why?
Git, commit, it's like our, как наши шаги, like...
We are creating a time machine, actually, basically, yeah? So we can travel back and forth in time. In case we make a mistake, instead of trying to solve the problem to find an error, a mistake, right? Or a bug, yeah? We can always return to the previous states of things, right? And we can travel back in time, back and forth in time. And therefore, actually, the more commits we have, the better. The more often the more commits we have, yeah, the better. And we can type a better command. Instead of typing git log, we can type git log hyphen hyphen one line. No, space hyphen hyphen after log.
No.
One line.
Like this?
Yes, and type, yeah, enter, press enter. See? Now it's a lot better. It's easier, right? What do you think head is? What is head?
Here it's
Head shows
name our branch.
No. Yeah, it shows the branch we are currently on, but also it shows where we are at the moment. Head. Head. So right now we have just one commit. We cannot travel in time because we have just one commit. But imagine we have 1,000 commits.
No, we can delete commit. We can travel. Yes.
Yes, we can travel in time. Yeah. Now let's create 3 more Python files, py files. So we'll be working with lists and maps or dictionaries. Okay, let's call this file maps.py. Okay. Yeah, and now let's add these let's stage these changes. No, stage add. First we need to add. Git add, yeah, space dot. Git commit. No, you made a mistake. I think you wrote commit.
Yes.
Commit.
Commit.
And here it will type create maps.py. And you can type my second commit also, comma, my second commit. On main, you can say on main. My second commit on main, delete comma, my second commit on main. Because we will create in our next lesson a new branch and we'll be working with 2 branches. Enter. And now let's see what we have now. How many commits? Let's have a look at our commits. How do we do this?
Git
No,
commit.
no. Log.
Git log hyphen, yes.
Hyphen.
One line.
One line, yes. And now we can move in time. We can travel in time, yeah? Okay, now let's create 2 more files here.
We have lists, maps.
We'll be working with lists, maps, functions, and loops. Functions. No, function. FU. .py. Let's stage these changes.
Insert and keep.
It will create, yeah.
Create a function. .py.
Period, my third commit on main.
My third commit on main. That's all. Enter. Now we type git log.
Git log. Log.
And we see. Okay.
And now let's create the last one for today. What is it?
What is it?
Loops.
Loops.
py. Git add one more time. Let's stage the changes. It will create.
Create. Oops. Py.
My fourth commit on main. Fourth. F. Third, fourth. No. Yeah, delete E after H. After OU, fourth. Commit on main. Enter. double M. Okay, and now let's travel back in time. Yeah, git log, one line. And now let's move, for example, to our second commit, and let's create one more branch here, and let's name this branch alternative. Why alternative? Because it's like our alternative reality, right? So let's move to the second commit. And how do we do this?
I type git and
It's not git,
ID,
it's
yes.
git. Git.
Get
Yeah, time git.
git.
And now copy the ID of the second commit. And before type git checkout, space, git space checkout, one word checkout. Check, yeah, out. And now enter. And now see what happened here. We have just two files, see?
No.
No, lists.py and maps. Do you see this? In
Is
our
that
folder. No, in our folder. No. You are looking at the wrong place. In our folder, on the left.
This.
Yes, see? Why do you think we have
Mhm.
just two files instead of four?
Because we because we
Chose
chose second commit.
the second
Uh,
commit. And
second commit. We did only two files.
we traveled back in time to the time when
Yes.
we had just two commits. And now, yeah, let's create a second branch here, alternative. Maybe it's too long alternative. We will have to type. Let's just call it alt.
What's this?
Git branch. How do we create branches? Just show the viewers one more time. Git log,
Mm-hmm.
and now hyphen one line. Don't be in a hurry, please. Space, and now hyphen all, and now enter. Because without all, you will see only the first two commits. You will not be able to see the last two commits. Yeah, you won't see all four commits that we have. And how to understand head? What does head mean? So right now head is on the second commit. What does it mean?
No, it's mean
It means
the time here. I'm in the second commit.
yes, you traveled back in time. Yeah, and now we are
I
here.
last commit.
Yes. And
Main.
now let's create our branch at this commit. And we will have two branches, right? Two branches. If we create a second branch here, it means that the first two commits will be the same on the main branch and on our second branch. Right? So let's create our second branch and let's call it second, not alt, second. Git branch space.
Second.
I don't see it. Okay, 1 minute. It will disappear. Yeah, because I'm close. Yeah. Git branch. You did this, right? And now let's have a look at our branches. Second. Enter. And now let's have a look at our branches. How do we do this?
No, git all branch git
Git
branch
hyphen A. I think A stands for all.
branch hyphen
A.
a.
No space.
No
space.
space. Branch hyphen a.
See?
Main
We have main and second. But right now we are in detached mode. Yeah, we aren't on any branch, right? Because we are on in our detached mode. And now how do we switch to another branch? to the other. In this case, we have 2 branches to the other branch, to the second.
Git,
How do we?
git
Git checkout.
git checkout and type
Second, the name of the branch to which we want to switch.
second is this.
No, second,
Yeah.
the name of our branch.
Ah,
Second, the name of our branch. Yes, enter. Yes, and now type git branch -a one more time.
-m.
A. See, second is green. Second is green. It means
Git
that we are currently on this branch. And now let's create like 2 more files here on this branch.
How to see?
Touch. And
Ah, we
let's
create
create
new
something.
files.
Let's create functions -second. Functions. Underscore, not hyphen, underscore second. It means that it is on our second branch. Py is our file, py file. Let's stage the changes.
Git add.
Git add, it's not it, it's add. Git add space dot git commit. And let's type something meaningful here. Let's type, it will create, and just create. Functions
Create,
second functions underscore second.py, the name of the file that we just created. Space. And here, full stop or period, and my first commit on second.
second branch, yes?
Yes, just on second. Yeah, and enter. And now let's create one more file here. Touch. Loops. Second. py. Git add.
Create. Oops. Not why.
My second commit on second.
Second branch.
Yes. And now let's see our tree. Let's have a look at our tree. How do we do this? For this, we type git log, yes, hyphen one line, space, hyphen graph, ph. No, not f, ph, not f, letter, ph, yeah, space, hyphen all. Enter.
Enter.
Do you see this beauty?
Yes.
Explain this to me, please. What do you see here?
We have two. What is it? It's not a branch. It's как ветки. It's
branches.
We have two branches, main and second. This 1 minute. This second, yes,
Mm-hmm.
this,
Yes.
and this main.
We have the same first two commits here, right?
Yes.
So because we created our second branch on the second commit, it means that both main and the second branches have the same first two commits, right? But then after the second commit, they get different, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so we see this difference. On our main, we have create loops.py, see my fourth commit on main, and then create functions.py, my third commit on main. Yeah? And we have create
Yes.
loops second.py, loops second.py, my second commit on second branch. And so now we have two branches. Why
Mm-hmm.
do you think we need to have branches? Two or more branches?
Mm, no, for example, if we create a website, uh, we can create branch for one page, for example. No, think.
Or imagine a lot of different people are working on the same project, right? They can all work on their own branches, right?
Mm-hmm.
In our next lessons, we'll be working with merge, rebase. We'll be learning how to do this. Yeah, we'll be working with one wonderful command, git reflog, which shows all our actions that we have done before, and we can undo what we have done before. And we'll
Okay.
be cooperating, yes, like I said, and we'll be working with Python. We'll be working with lots of things, with lots of different things, but it requires a lot of patience and a lot of time.
Okay.
Yes, so like I said, November, no, December, January. So it's our time frame that we need to stick to. January, I think, yes. And after that, yes, you'll start working for a job. It'll be wonderful. Yes, and you will show your potential employers, yeah, what you have learned. They will have a look at everything that you have done, and it will be wonderful for you. Extremely useful, helpful. Yes. They will immediately understand that you have learned all of these things. Yes, you may have forgotten some things, but okay, now tell me about your plans for today.
Today I will go to the gym, and after that I have I have a lot of tasks uh, on my university.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and I must do it.
Okay,
And then
but I think you told me that you finished the first year, completed
I
the first
finished
year.
exams, but I have a lot of tasks. It's like homework, and I must do it. Потому что надо закрыть
Because
все. I must close all no, all все задания,
tasks,
all
assignments.
tasks.
I need to complete all assignments. Okay, then,
Yes.
thank you. See you on Friday. Yeah, maybe 12 p.m., maybe
Yes.
1 p.m. I think 1 p.m.
Yes.
A lot
Okay.
of
Thank you
work
for.
is ahead, a lot of work. So get ready. Get ready to work
Okay.
very hard. Okay, thank
Okay.
you. See you. Bye.
Bye.